What if I told you there's a way to potentially make 160% return while someone else that's trading stocks will only make about 15%? And what if I told you that you could do this with less money at risk? Stick around because today I'm going to share with you the top 5 reasons I prefer trading options over stocks. And by the end of this video, you might never look at the stock market the same way again, and I will have you converted to an options trader if you're not already one now. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss a training that could help you become a more profitable trader. And be sure to share this with others if you think it's helpful for you. Reason number 1 is leverage. You're going to get more bang for your buck. The number 1 reason why I personally prefer options is leverage. This is where the magic happens, folks. Let's say that you want to trade a stock that's $150 per share. To buy 100 shares of stock, you need $15,000. That's a lot of capital tied up in one trade for some people. But with options, you might only need to spend $800 to control the same 100 shares through what is called a call option. Here's where it gets exciting. If that stock moves from 150 to 160, you made about $1,000 trading the stock. That's about a 6.7% rate of return. Not bad, right? But that same $10 move in the stock could turn your $800 option into $1,300. That's a $500 profit on an $800 investment. A 62.5% rate of return. That's the power of leverage. You get magnified moves with less capital at risk. It's like having a financial superpower. Reason number 2, lower capital requirements. This ties directly into leverage, but it's so important it deserves its own spot. Most people think you need huge amounts of money to trade successfully. That's just not true with options. Remember the example of $15,000 to buy the stock versus $800 to buy the option? That means you could potentially make 18 different options trades with the same amount of money that it would take to make one stock trade. This opens up so many more trading opportunities. You can diversify across multiple trades, test different strategies, and manage risk better. You're not putting all your eggs into one expensive basket. For working professionals who don't have massive trading accounts, this is a game changer. You don't need to be a Wall Street big shot to see impressive returns. Reason number 3, defined risk. Here's something most people don't understand about options. When you buy an option, you know exactly what your maximum loss is before you ever place the trade. This is the premium that you paid, period. If you buy that $800 option we talked about, the most you can lose is $800, even if the stock goes to zero. Your loss is capped at what you paid for the option. Compare this to trading the stock. If you buy the stock at 150 and it drops to 100, you lost $5,000 on that 100 shares. With the option, your loss would still be just that $800 premium. And what if we go with the same example I talked about in the options, that the stock went to zero, you would lose $150 per share. This defined risk gives you peace of mind and helps you manage your trading psychology. You know the worst case scenario right up front, baby. Reason number 4, flexibility and strategy variety. Options give you ways to make money in markets that would leave stock traders scratching their heads. With stocks, you basically have 3 choices. Buy it, sell it, hold it. That's it. You make money if it goes up and lose money if it goes down. Pretty simple, but also pretty limiting. With options, you can profit when the stock goes up, down, or even sideways. You can trade bullish strategies, bearish strategies, and even strategies that profit from time decay or changes in volatility. There are even ways to make money on the I don't know-ish moves, where it does absolutely nothing. You can profit massively from it. For example, with covered calls, you can generate income from stocks you already own while still keeping the upside potential. You can use spreads to reduce risk while still capturing profits, and the possibilities are endless. This flexibility means that you can adapt to different market conditions instead of being stuck hoping stocks only go up. Reason number 5 is time efficiency. This one might surprise you a bit, but options can actually be more time efficient than stock trading. Here's what I mean. When you're trading stocks, you're often looking for big moves. That can take weeks or months to play out. With options, especially weekly options, you can capture significant profits in days, even hours or minutes. That leverage we talked about earlier means smaller stock moves can create massive percentage of gains in your options. A stock might need to move 20% to give you a nice return, but an option might give you that same return with just a 5% move on the stock. For those of you that are busy professionals who don't have time to babysit trades for weeks or months, this is huge. You can get in, capture your profits, and get out much faster. Plus, many option strategies can be managed in just a few minutes a day. Check your positions, make adjustments if needed, go back to life. Now, I want to be abundantly clear about something. Options aren't a magic bullet, and they're not guaranteed path to riches. They come with their own risks that require proper education. But when you understand how to use them correctly, options can give you advantages that stock trading simply can't match. More leverage, less capital required, defined risk, incredible flexibility, and better time efficiency. Did you capture all of that? Amazing. Remember, we trade options based on what the stock chart is telling us. The stock is still the foundation of everything we do. Options just give us a better way to profit from what we see in those charts. If you're ready to learn more about options trading, I've put together some incredible resources to help you get started right now. Check out the links in the description below. Until next time, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it, and remember, you're just one trade away. Go ahead and click here to check out another one of our great trainings to help you become a better trader.